Yo, what is good, YouTube? I'm kind of 5 minutes late into market. Obviously we're just trading lower. I had this daily imbalance, bruh. It's kind of brutal, bro. I kind of missed it. I have this daily here. And we're obviously trading back into this imbalance here. To the left of us, which is a busy. I'm inside of the city right now. One's on the 4 hour. A bunch of sell side below us as well. And good draws. And if you want to trade lower, obviously we're trading inside of a discount. I kind of just want to go right in because I kind of missed it already. So I want to see where we are as of right now. Where's 9:30? 9:30, back into 9:30. Goals worth 8:30. Kind of like open, high, low, close scenario, as well as 7:30. It's just 7:30 here, where you open, trade higher. Sweeping out London and Asia on NQ. Trading back into this new walk here. Almost 195 points. But we still have good draws below us as well on ES. And we failed to sweep out London lows. Let's see what YM is up to. Bruh, brutal. Let's see what dollar is at. Dollar trading higher. YM. Kind of like YM takes out London highs. But we still have London lows, which is a good target on all the other assets below us. That's why we're kind of trading higher. At least 15 minutes here. Like, we need to take out this high here, but I kind of want to see that continuation. So we're kind of like accumulating now. End up taking out Asia low as well. I like how we're still in discount. This is kind of like the manipulation, like, bruh. Kind of lines with this daily imbalance to the upside. So it kind of lines as well.
extra strands, that's $3, right?
104?
Yeah, $3.
$6.
No, you charged me last time.
150 each.
No, you charged me two for $1.50.
No, that was 150.
You've always been charging me.
I was 150.
Can you just give them to me for $3 now, and then later on I'll buy them as usual? Give me the 4 packs for $3, then I'll come keep buying here.
No, but they're really expensive. I'll give you all of this for $5. Cause I literally paid each one 75 cents or $1.
Oh God, it's that I need the other $2.
Okay, so you owe me.
Okay, I'll come back to you. I'm not moving.
Okay.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Okay. Had this 1 hour as well. Kind of seen it as like what is accumulating. Manipulate where like we just open at 9:30, trade higher. There's 1 hour busy to the left of us. I'll kind of see when this holds. If it was a 2 hour, or I said a 2 hour. Inside of anything. Check back to the new log. Do get a nice little inversion as well. As a CISD, I believe so. You get a 2 minute or 3 minute. But you kind of like missed this move here. Still in discount. Trade back into this new walk here. What is dollar doing? We take out all the buy side as well. We're trading out of front there. Really nothing. Obviously we do have good draws. What the hell just happened? Kind of like we just like accumulated, manipulated higher, almost like 100 points. So some price lower because we're kind of looking for open high, low close. So I'll wait for 9:45 to open up. Just like continuation. Pop this order block here. I want to see how we react off of this here. We're still inside a discount as well, inside the new walk. So let's just see how we react. Why does it always do this? You know what, I like kind of like mark out the ranges of each asset, but so what I like to do. Let me see how we react right now. Trade back into this 30-minute here. Did I keep this one over here? Not really. There's been a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency here. They have good targets low as well, so I kind of want to see a continuation. Trade back into this IVG here. It says like it's 1 hour. I mean this CB. But kind of does like give you a chance to land a negative 1 standard deviation. 9:45 we open, trade higher. 9:45 we print a death candle where we open. Possibly when we're looking for an open low high close scenario, maybe coming in. But let's just, because we are trading out of, oh it's slow as well, it's daily. That is daily, just to keep in mind. See what dollar's up to. They have Asia low, so obviously there'll be a good target if you get like a nice little continuation. Like right here would have been nice. Like from the high to the low here. And the other fib that was much better here. Or like you get a nice little retracement back into 7.0. It's kind of like the 2022 model where you trade back inside of an imbalance. We're kind of like we're inside this 15-minute ES. How many points was this? Almost 150-point move. Like how we sweep out this candle here on all the assets. We're living out of what, the 15-minute? I mean, we're trading out of a higher time frame key level, side of discount range, looking for higher prices. If obviously we end up trading back to the new one, obviously we have one side of it. This 5-minute continuation. Intermediate high inside this imbalance here on the 5-minute. So I kind of like want to see like a nice little reaction, Let's high to the slow. Still have sell side where it aligns with negative 3 standard deviation. Keep in mind we're still inside of discount range as well. And this 5 minute will hold. This dollar. Dollar is just consolidating for the last 20 minutes. Try this 5 minute. Was it a 3? It was like a 4 minute. We will definitely take this like a continuation. Check back into this order block here, like kind of like the CE, this order block, the body, main threshold of this order block here. So kind of act as like support. Like how we're making it off this 5 minute. We still have good targets on ES. Stuff Asia low points. I definitely see that like continuation, not gonna lie. It was kind of like a CISD as well. O'clock is on the way anyway, so we're kind of like 9:30 wick on YM, so I kind of want to see a sweep out YM's rejection wick of market open. Which will be the low of this wick, 9:30. No news Monday though either. Definitely don't want to see us take out this 9:30 wick to work to us. To even validate any type of long situation. I'm trading higher. So this will be like a nice little 5 minute continuation. You have a CISD closure. The last up close candle that is inside of an imbalance or sweeps any sort of buy side liquidity. If we close the body of the candle, that's what buy side. We then end up getting a CISD. Yeah, obviously we're gonna end up trading lower as well. So, like I said, you could have had it like this like continuation. We kind of like trade back inside of a discount. Obviously we didn't. Okay. ES ES and YM. Check out the low. Recording. That's gonna take out Asia. Trade back to his new walk as well. That's good. We was definitely gonna took this though at 9:30. With a nice little CISD. So was IFEG. IFEG was a that manipulation leg was almost 100, more than 100 points. Like literally. What the hell? So obviously YM is dollar trading higher, you guys can see. And YM is trading lower. All their assets are trading lower. The metric draw is lower. -3 lines with -3 at intermediate low here. This is sell side. So kind of just, and I wish I would have took this because it kind of was a continuation from this 5 minute or reject after 5 minute, but I kind of didn't get it clean. Or just because you do have LR at your stop as well. I mean, not really. I mean, you have a bunch of imbalances here where we can rebalance price into equilibrium and a premium, then the same price higher. Or like I wish we would have traded back into EQ of the range to then I would have validated the short position short. Right now we're just trending lower, so this is kind of like just chasing price. Obviously we have 10 o'clock, but it's gonna open up anyways. With you. Or we're just dumping. Just 145 points. This was a good move though off the 5 minute continuation. We're kind of like open, high, low, close scenario. So that's what obviously was expected. And for this 4 hour to open 10 o'clock. Still have. You take a previous day high, so you have previous day low. It's a good target. So we're inside this daily imbalance. So it was obviously open high low close scenario, which was good. Kind of does suck though, because the kids have this whole range here. Yeah, if you end up trading back, but that's obviously in the past. But obviously, it aligns with negative standard deviation too, so that was nice. No real no sequential S&T anywhere at all. I don't want to see a continuation. 10 o'clock we open. We end up trading back 10 o'clock. We do a print a death candle. So let's just watch how price reacts up to 30 minutes. What is dollar? Dollar's still trading high. Okay, we trade back into this order block here. The CE is the order block, which is nice. As well as even 10 o'clock unattended as well. It's a good draw. Back to 10 o'clock when we get a nice little retracement back to 10 o'clock. Inside the rebalance price, it send us lower to this 30 minute. Because obviously we've been just trading lower. Bunch of rich sell side liquidity here is a good target. Bunch of equal lows as well. And see how we trade back at 10 o'clock, but ES doesn't. I mean, NQ does not. That was kind of like a cracking correlation, so we could have. Should have had good conviction. Should have just took this 5 minute, honestly. That's my fault. But it is what it is. Just had a good conviction. This 5 minute would have been nice. Almost 200 point delivery. You guys saw the cracking correlation with the lows. Here at 10 o'clock, where obviously NQ takes out the low, or the other assets do not. That's just like a small lower time frame cracking correlation. I kind of want to, obviously we're trading inside of a higher time frame PDURA. Inside of a discount too, so that would be nice to give us a nice little long position. And for open low high close scenario for a 4 hour PO3. the hell? I'll just remove that. Again, I ended up obviously changing back to just 30-minute. So we're gonna help this 5-minute. No small time. Small 90-minute cycle. Not even, honestly. What's going on with price? I ended up having this. I probably take out this low here. Oh, but I should do not remove this. That's so annoying. Here. It's a 3-minute, but not really clean. Kind of want to get like another resweep of this accumulation. We've just been chopping around for the last 10 minutes. If not, I'll just be neutral for the day. US dollar. See how it reacts. Just been watching, staying on my hands. I like how it lines up, but changing back into this hourly, obviously. We still have good draws on ES. It's then some price lower. I like how you could have took it off this OTE here. Nice little 1-to-1 here. Stop at this high. Even like you see, even when you target like a nice little 1-to-1, you would have been not bad for at all. Like literally. Even like 1 to 1.5.
What's up, man?
What's up, bro?
You make a sandwich or
Nah.
no?
No. Maybe another continuation later. Want it back? Put it up. Shit is like so annoying. See how does align with negative standard deviation? Which isn't it? I wish I would have took this off. I wish I would have took the 5-minute. That's brutal. Even here too. Let's see how we wreck off this OT here. Look at this. Let's see. Check back into a premium. Reject. Strong rejection. So there's this order block here too. I want to look for like a nice little stop hunt, and then displacement, and then I want to see a nice little sequential SMT. I mean, obviously the draw was lower, obviously. Kind of breaking outside the range. Trade back into it. Stop all of this negative 4 standard deviation to the left of us. Should have obviously already knew what it was already in the beginning when we opened. Nice little CIZ closure here. Really nice. And then obviously if you could take a nice little short position. Still inside the range. How did I just really... I need to see us break outside of a range. This is not like, we're just... The OTE is the GOAT. No cap. It's a nice little 2 minute. Let's see now. A small time frame correlation. The 15-minute cycle. It was a daily cycle. We end up taking out previous 30-minute power of 3. Kinda, I want to see the liver off the sell side. Obviously, going in for the day, obviously, we end up respecting bullish, respecting bearish, and a bunch of bearish imbalances.
What's up, Omar?
What's up?
Let me grab you for plastic bag, please. Thank you. Oh,
Take it. Do it for
grab
that.
it. Alright, thank you.
Hold on. I just stay neutral. Because I already met my DOL. So, but now I know that I will end up definitely like start just taking it. Like, I wish I would took this 5-minute continuation. But you see like how you use OTE? OTE is definitely amazing, like paired with standard deviation. Where you mark out all of the OTE levels and they're getting a nice little range. Because the dollar is obviously trading higher. So look at it at the opposite. I'll end up posting this. I really don't care. I kind of want to see how we rank off the starting. No valid SMT at all. Man, bro, I really would have took this 5 minute, bro. Damn. That's what it is. I think I'll just end it here. I don't know, man. This is like you guys already met all my draws, so I'm already getting close to 10:30. Just printing a bunch of LR at the highs. Kind of want, obviously, we're gonna end up obviously filling in this void, which is obviously, look how many points it was, almost 400 point move. So this void is gonna end up getting filled sooner or later. Yep, that sucks. I'll just be out of here. I missed my setup in the morning. It doesn't not really matter. I don't. It is what it is. It was like this 5 minute continuation, but I didn't. So was this here? Would have been nice. Line with OTE here. Just high to the slow here. Trading back inside the premium range. When you're premium looking for shorts. But even if your placement would have been, because you have all of this imbalances above at your stop loss. Or we're gonna end up trading lower anyways because the dollar is trading higher. So I see no dollar reason to take out any low. Okay, we take out all sell side. We get a nice little see at the lows. Gonna end up definitely filling in this void here. This sucks, bro, because I could have really just took this, but kind of just hesitated. But took the continuation. I mean, he had good draws in mind as well, but guess what it is. Just want to preserve capital. Doesn't matter. Just don't want to stay on this too long. You just like, yeah, I'm just gonna just log off. Just call it a day. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Wish I would take the 5-minute continuation. But it is what it is. At least I had the good draws in mind. At least I kind of like followed my rules, and my setup was there. My setup was not really there, but I did have good discretion. So there's a line with negative standard deviation as well, which is obviously good levels. But that's about it. I mean, I'll see you guys tomorrow.